Hi all, I'm Tony and this is SV Tapatya. She's a self-built Jay Benford designed 31-foot 8-inch sailing dory with a junk schooner rig. The first 6 years or so of this channel were all about the build of the boat, building her in my backyard. We launched in August of 2023 and went off on 2 months of sea trials. This channel is all about the build of boats and boat parts for yourself using fairly ordinary tools and equipment, and the boat is designed to be a low expense, comfortable liveaboard for 1 or 2 people. The plan next spring is to set off cruising sailing with this boat and to see exactly what a low budget self-built sailing boat such as this is capable of.
Well, it's a cold, very late November morning and we are driving up in the rain up to the boat, and it's haul out day, so this will be very interesting, exciting, interesting to see what she looks like under the waterline, how that's all held up, and yeah, going to be a good day if cold and damp. Not the nicest weather for it, is it? Dear, dear. Sleet. So up at the boat and sort of getting ready. The temperatures are dropping down towards the freezing, and emptying water out. Basically, I don't want anything to freeze, so we had a couple of jerry jugs under the quarter berth. We've emptied them out and now I'm pumping the tanks dry, which is enormous fun.
Still going.
Still going. On tank number 2 now though, so we're getting there. I'm not 100% convinced it's necessary. Probably down below here, temperatures you get here in the winter, it probably wouldn't freeze. But better safe than sorry. So here's the crew, and as you can probably hear, the engine's running. We're basically ready. So yeah, basically ready. Engine's loud without the engine hatching, but it's really quite quiet when the hatch is in place. Yeah, so we're going to motor over to the travel lift soon. We've got the electric cable to take off. Dock lines clearly. Motor ourselves over there. See what she looks like below the waterline. First ever haul out. It's quite exciting.
We're getting ready to leave.
So you ready there?
Yeah, I'm ready to slip.
We're going backwards.
Okay.
You've got lots of line still? We're free. Going backwards. Good. Push forward, push to the front, Hazel. All good. We'll have to reverse out. Good. Lovely, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. Good anti-fouling.
Nothing, is it?
No, yeah, it's really good.
Very, very clean. Good anti-fouling that. Like, we have to say we've only been in the water 3 months, haven't we, is it? July, August, September, October, 4 months. 4 months. Yeah. So it must be different, right?
Oh, they would know.
Narrower stand.
Ah. We'll have to run after her in a minute.
That is not touching anything, is it?
No. Run!
Just walk quickly. I like seeing the riding on the road.
It's kind of funny.
good 10 centimetres
The
or so.
Waterline.
Yeah. Yeah, but she looks great, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Really impressed. Really impressed. A little bit of weed in there. Weed, that's nothing.
But the zinc looks really good.
Zinc's
still.
perfect, isn't it? Perfect. Yeah. That's where the belt was, so he couldn't wash
Oh
it.
yeah.
Yeah, she looks great. Looks great. Worked it nicely. Go around, have a quick look around the other side. And that's the bit I couldn't really get at, but it's fine. So I wasn't sure that I'd sealed it all, but I must have done. Must have done, so it's really good. There was an area there I wasn't sure I'd sealed completely, but there's no rust, so I must have got it all. Which is excellent. Excellent. She's in great condition. Great.
Yeah, she looks really tiny still.
Yeah, very, very happy. We're going to get a ladder.
Yeah.
Got an antifreeze. This is interesting. This is for the saltwater circuit of the engine, but also you can put it in your drinking water or your loo if you've got one that needs protecting from frost. So that's pretty cool, really. I've never seen, you know, something you can put in the drinking water and the engine. Well, yeah. Cool. There's my new spanner, which hangs in the engine room. It pops. I'll tell you what we need to do first of all, of course, is shut that seacock. Clearly, pop that open. Right, that's open and empty, obviously. It won't be empty. Now I've got the seacock off. Yes, I can fill it up with this. I've managed to open the brilliant childproof seal. Oh,
You're stronger than a child.
yes, it seems that way. Goodness for that. Fill that up, and then we'll start the engine. You could actually, Hazel, start the engine, couldn't you? And I'll just run some through and that'll be enough.
Yeah, alright.
Cool. Right, go for it, mate. Like that. That should be good. Well, that all worked out very well. Maybe 2 days after that, it started snowing, and we've had snow laying ever since. It's laying now as I speak to you. Just starting to thaw actually, so hopefully things are going to warm up. The forecast says it will. Should be getting back out in the shed and getting on. It's been a bit cold recently. But yeah, all very good. What I was most pleased about was the state of the boat under the waterline. You know, that's always, particularly with the first ever haul out, it's a bit of an unknown, but she was perfect, absolutely perfect. No issues at all, so I'm really pleased with that. Very little to do in terms of below the waterline. Clearly I've just got to raise the waterline a little bit to get it where it, you know, where it should be properly. The original waterline was pretty much a guess, as you may know. But that's got to come up. We'll sort that out. Put another coat of antifoul, the same stuff. I used the Hempel Hard Racing, and in that 4 months, or just over 4 months, we were in the water. There was just a merest bit of slime on there, so it was very good. Very pleased with that. So yeah, all good. Did the other winterization bits, got some antifreeze in the engine, pumped the water tanks out, emptied anything out that might freeze, took stuff home that could be an issue. And she's on the hard for the winter. Obviously some projects going on here for upgrades that will be fitted over the winter, and we'll be getting on with that and looking forward to
sailing next spring. Thank you for watching. As ever, a massive thank you from me to the lovely people that support us on Patreon and via PayPal. And we'll be back next week. See you then.